everyone! RR, say hi to them! Hello everyone! Mag-unboxing tayo ng toys ni RR. Come on, let's open. Where's the scissor here? Where's the scissor? Scissor here. Wait. Ooh. Ooh. What? Ah, this is your wagon. This is your wagon. It's not. Yeah, it's not a toys. This is your wagon. Yeah, kasi yung ano na niya guys, yung wagon niya sira-sira na. Yung gulong. Ito oh. Ooh. I thought it was a tent. But there's a tent coming tomorrow. Yeah, we're waiting for a long time.
Why?
Wait too long. Look, you can hide here. Look, you can hide there. You can hide there. Sit down there. Hide siya dito guys. RR hiding. RR hiding. Whoa! You closed your door? This is your house? This is your house? This is your guys. This is your house? Hello, RR. Yan si guys. Oh, yan si guys. Tago. Hide and seek ikaw? Where's the scissor? Where's the scissor? Hide. Where are you, scissor? Here. Where's the scissor? Finally arrived. I've been waiting for this for 2 weeks. Yeah. Ooh. I like this one. I like this.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm here and you find me.
Yeah. Like this is easy. It's easy. And then how to assemble the wheel? Where's RR? Are you there, RR? Oh, this is the front. I think this is the front. This side. Oh, I need to lock it. How to lock this one? This one here. The other one. Ayan. Lock na siya guys. Aha. Yeah, I put the wheel here. Tom. Wow, I like it. Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Mm. Ay. Sure.
Mommy,
Yeah.
this is our house. Mommy.
Is it a house? Well, I like it. Are hiding? Yeah.
You find me.
Wait, Mama be here. Mama fixing your wagon. I don't know how to fix your wagon, huh?
Mommy,
Yeah.
what is mommy?
This is a bag for the wagon.
Mommy,
You can turn it.
mommy.
Yeah. How to open this one? Hirapan ako, guys. Where's RR? Where's RR hiding?
Oh.
I say how to fix this one. Back. Hiding? Come on. You try. Try. Come on, sit down here. Liwagan. Here. You like it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi.
Very high. Yeah. I like it. Ngayon, gonna share magmamasyal kami. Dun sa Target. Ooh, say hi to them. Si bye-bye na to them. Bye-bye. Hadi bra. Bye-bye. Si bye-bye to them. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ay, meron pa palang ano. Ito. The roof.
Oh.
Need to put the roof. Here. Uy. Uy. Where are you gonna put this one? This one? The other one. This is the curtain when there is a sun. So you are not.
Mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
This one we can put it here. Where we can put this one here? Where we can put this one? Yeah. When there is a sun. Hi. So you are not with the sun. You are not still shining here. Wait, I'm gonna put this one. Wait. Yee, you like it? Wait, I will try where you gonna put this one. Maybe here. Oh yeah, it's here. Oh. It's here, guys. Oh no. Where you gonna put this one? Oh, here, down here. Down here. It's okay to do like that. Yeah. And you can use this one, or so you can also this one. Yes, you can also hide this one here, like that. Like this Uniswan? You like it?